I'm going to talk about my essay about my mobile app. Nowadays, mental health issues are becoming increasingly prevalent, and especially among young people. And according to the World Health Organization, over 264 million people globally suffer from depression, and many more experience anxiety and stress related disorders. And also, 1 in 7 adolescents has a mental disorder. And the COVID-19 pandemic further intensified this crisis, leaving many people isolated and in need of accessible mental health support. So one particularly vulnerable group is teenagers, and they often lack resources or have difficulty expressing their emotions through traditional therapy channels. And this project was inspired by the need to offer creative and engaging form of support. And research shows that art therapy can significantly improve emotional well-being by helping people externalize their feelings and process their emotions visually. However, the access to licensed therapists is very limited, and a lot of people do not feel comfortable attending sessions. So the solution is that I decided to make an app with face recognition technology, and it can recommend art based on emotion. And it also utilizes AI recommendation algorithm. And this is the approach. So the front end of the app was developed using Flutter and Dart, and they enable a cross-platform compatibility and a smooth user experience. And the app also includes a camera, and it allows users to record short videos of themselves. And these videos are analyzed to detect their current emotional state. And it then triggers the generation of both music and visual art. And the server is built using Python and Flask framework. And they handle API communication between the app and the AI models. And the app replicates implementation of Meta's music model to generate personalized music based on the journal. And for content generation, the app integrates OpenAI to provide meaningful daily quotes from notable figures in the field of art and therapy. And all generated images are stored in the Firebase storage, and this enables each user to retrieve their content quickly using a link. And here are the pages in the app. So for the home page, it displays a daily AI generated image and a motivational quote from a therapist or an artist. And from the home page, the users can navigate to the journal list page, and they can view the previously written journal entries. And add journal page. On this page, users can write personal reflections or emotional experiences. And the therapy page is where the app captures a short video of the user. And the app analyzes the video to determine the user's emotional state. And based on the detected emotion, two models are used to create a unique piece of art and music that reflects and supports the user's mood. And before accessing the chat features, users are directed to the authentication page. And this page verifies users' identity using the Supabase. And once users are authenticated, they can enter the chat page, and they can connect with others for emotional support on this page. And this page is powered by Supabase database to ensure it is secure and efficient. And this is a demo of my paper.
Here are some important parts of my essay. So the third part is solution, and it is about what this app is designed for, and also what languages and models I use for developing this app, and what functions this app serves, and every page of the app. And the fourth part is about two experiments. The first experiment is the testing of three models' accuracy of detecting users' emotion. And this is the result. And the second experiment is about whether the image the AI generates reflects the user's journal.
And this is the demo of the application. Yeah, and that's all.